Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. So first of all, the first thing that you need to do is to navigate to the themes section, which is in the appearance, and click on the themes. And you need to ensure that your active theme is labeled as responsive or mobile friendly. If your theme does not come with a responsive or mobile friendly tag, you need to make sure to temporarily switch to default WordPress theme like 2021, which is the most popular theme of default WordPress, to determine if the problem lies with the original theme or the theme that you have selected from the WordPress plugin section. Now the next step is you need to update your themes and plugins. You need to simply go for the plugins. Once you are in the plugin section, you need to make sure that you have the updated plugins and themes, because outdated plugins and themes can lead to compatibility problems affecting mobile displays as a result. Now the next thing that I recommend you to do is to download a theme that is called WPE Touch. So you just need to search for it, and once you search for this, you just need to go for this one, which is mobile friendly plugin. So you need to make sure to install and see if it has resolved your issue or not. So that's the overview of how you can fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile.